Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a situation that can leave you feeling stranded, needing cash, but your debit card hitting a limit at the ATM. It's happened to the best of us, that sinking feeling as the machine spits your card back out. But fear not, because today we're specifically tackling the question, what is the ATM limit for Relay? Now, Relay is a fantastic option for businesses and teams, offering features like multiple checking accounts and sleek, modern debit cards. But with all that functionality, there are bound to be some specifics about how things work, especially when it comes to accessing your hard-earned cash. So, let's break down the two key things to know about ATM limits with Relay. Relay Set Limit. This is the maximum amount you can withdraw in a single day using your Relay debit card. The ATM owner's limit. This is a separate limit set by the actual ATM you're using, completely independent of Relay. Let's unpack these one at a time. 1. Relay's daily ATM withdrawal limit. Here's the good news. Relay boasts a generous daily ATM withdrawal limit of $1,000. That means, in one 24-hour period, you can hit the ATM and grab up to $1,000 using your Relay debit card. This is a solid amount for most everyday needs, whether it's an unexpected car repair or grabbing some cash for a weekend getaway. But there's a small catch. This $1,000 limit applies solely to the amount you withdraw, not including any fees the ATM itself might charge. Here's why that matters. Let's say you want to take out the full $1,000, but the ATM charges a pesky $3 fee. That bumps the total transaction amount to $1,003. Since it exceeds Relay's set limit, your withdrawal might be declined, even though you technically have enough funds in your account. So, the takeaway here is, always be aware of any potential ATM fees before you swipe your card. If you're unsure, a quick Google search or a call to your bank can usually clear things up. 2. The ATM owner's limit. This is where things can get a little tricky. While Relay sets its own daily withdrawal limit, individual ATMs also have their own maximum withdrawal amounts. These can vary depending on the bank that owns the ATM, the location, and even the specific machine itself. Here's an example. You head to your local grocery store ATM, ready to grab the full $1,000 with your Relay card. But after swiping and entering your PIN, you see a message, daily withdrawal limit exceeded. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you've hit your Relay limit. It could simply mean the specific ATM you're using has a lower withdrawal limit, maybe $400 or $500. The best way to avoid this frustration? Check the ATM screen before you insert your card. Most machines will display their daily withdrawal limit right there on the welcome screen. This way, you can adjust your withdrawal amount accordingly. Bonus tip, many banks and financial institutions offer fee-free ATM networks. Relay, for example, partners with the Allpoint network, offering access to thousands of ATMs without Relay charging a fee. However, the ATM owner themselves might still have a withdrawal fee. It always pays to be prepared. Navigating ATM limits with confidence. Knowing your card's withdrawal limits and being aware of potential ATM fees can save you a lot of hassle down the line. With Relay, you have a comfortable $1,000 daily ATM withdrawal limit, giving you flexibility for most situations. Just remember to factor in any potential ATM fees and double-check the withdrawal limit on the machine itself to avoid any unexpected declines. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and keep your finances flowing smoothly.